create an AXS or AXS account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create an AXS or AXS account on your device. In order to begin with the procedure, you could either use an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So you can just go ahead and open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar, go ahead and type in the link that is www.axs.com. When you type in the following link, it's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you go ahead and press the sign in button from the top left hand side corner, and then a pop-up menu appears. So from there, you need to switch over to create account. When you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you have to go ahead and enter in your information, such as your first name, last name, email address, and create a password according to the mentioned criteria under it, and go ahead and click on create account. So I'm just going to quickly enter in the following information. Now you'll need to go ahead and verify your email, so you have to go ahead and press the send email button first of all, and when you do that, go ahead and open up your email in order to check for the verification code. So as you can see, here's the verification email, so I'm just gonna press the verify email button, and the email has been verified. So as you can see that the email has already been verified. Now you can go ahead and press the sign in button, and then you can go ahead and log in into your account, or it's going to be directed to your home page indicating that you've successfully created your AXS account. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.